who tests her breeding dogs to make sure they're free of genetic diseases that they might pass on to the puppies, and that they have sound temperaments. Are you thinking about getting a Schnauzer? Let us know what you decide in the comments below. And if you know someone who's thinking about getting a Schnauzer, please share this with them. If you like this video, check out our website, the link is in the description of this video. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.